Have you ever looked at a leaf, an insect, or even a piece of jewelry and wished you could see every tiny detail without spending hundreds on specialized equipment? Most of us rely on our phones for photos, but when it comes to capturing textures and microscopic details, standard cameras just don't get close enough. That's frustrating because some of the most fascinating things around us are hidden in plain sight. Whether you're exploring nature, working on a DIY project, or creating artistic shots, missing those fine details means missing an entirely different perspective. That's where the APEXEL upgraded 300X Microscope lens comes in. This compact macro lens turns your smartphone into a portable microscope, giving you up to 300x magnification for capturing incredibly detailed close-up images. And thanks to the built-in LED light, you can illuminate your subject and get better visibility even in less than ideal lighting conditions. The lens attaches easily to your phone, and with simple focus adjustment, you can fine-tune sharpness and experiment with different angles and distances to get the shot you want. Its portable design makes it easy to carry, whether you're hiking, photographing plants and insects, inspecting jewelry, or working on creative projects. Compatible with Apple iPhones and designed with CE and RoHS certifications, this lens is built for everyday photography enthusiasts who want to discover details they normally can't see. If this sounds like something you'd enjoy using, check out the link in the description while it's available and see what tiny worlds you might be missing.